Good morning, 10th Standard English Medium, GT Sheikh Vidyalaya. Very warmful welcome again in video lecture series. Okay guys, today we learn Sanskrit. Today we learn in Sanskrit lesson number 12, Kali Kala Sarvagna Hemchandracharya. It is prose type of lesson, and most of this lesson is based on some very special personality about in Sanskrit grammar and literature. He is a Hemchandracharya. So now Kali Kala Sarvagna means it is greatest personality in world. Means there is the no affected to any time zone about this personality or about this fame. It's called Kali Kala Sarvagna. Okay, Kali Kala Sarvagna. Sarvagna means extraordinary, knowledgeable person. There is the no limit about the any kind of time zone. It's Kali Kala Sarvagna. And this is the adjective about the Hemchandracharya. Hemchandracharya. He is a Jain Suri. Suri means a sage, a Jainacharya, and he is a very intelligent personality, very scholar, very. He is an expert in each and every subject. In very small age, they have so many type of the knowledge about in smallest life, in his smallest life, languages, science, religions, kala, all kind of knowledge should we have in Hemchandracharya Suriji Maharaj. He was born in 1145 Vikram Samvat 1145. He was born in Dhanduka district, Ahmedabad, and he is in small age. His name is Changadev, and in smallest age they take a sannyas. They take sannyas and leave the sansar, and then after in short time he is a full of knowledge about of religion, and that's why they called like a Suri. And so this is lesson is based on introduction about Hemchandracharya Suriji Maharaj. Okay, when you read the introduction paragraph, you are very much clear about these all details. And then after, when you read the glossary, you are very much familiar about the meaning, adjective, noun, pronoun, sandhis, and etc. Okay guys, so today we start lesson number 12, Kali Kala Sarvagna Hemchandracharya. There is the very wonderful one sentence from we have from Kali Kala Sarvagna Hemchandracharya. It's like that in Sanskrit, Kirti Yasyaha Sa Jivati, means the fame is stable to till then end of the world. Fame is very important thing. Kirti means fame. All things are destroyable, but one thing is non-destroyable. It's like a kirti, it's like a fame. And how can we achieve fame? When we present, when we create some very unique thing, and then after we get a fame, we get a kirti. So kirtihi yasyaha jivati. This is the sentence from Hemchandracharya Suriji. Okay guys, we start this lesson. विक्रमस्य द्वादश्यां शताब्द्यां सिद्धराज जयसिंह मालव विजय कृतवान्. At the Vikram Samvat 12th century, Siddharaj Jayasingh victorious to Malwa Vijay. He is Siddharaj Jayasingh is attacked on Malwa, and he is a victorious person. विजयांतरम जयसिंह नृपते यशोवर्मणं सर्वं धनं गृहीत्वा अणहिलपुर प्रत्यागतवान्. After the victory about on Malwa, the Jayasingh take the all kind of the monies, all kind of the wealth of the Yashovarman, take about his Anhilpur Patan, at the place about the Siddharaj Jayasingh, the royal courtyard at place about Anhilpur Patan. धनेन सह तत्रत्य ग्रंथागारोपि तस्य हस्तगतो जातः. Wealth, money and other things is Granthara api, means library. They also took the library from there. अस्मिन् ग्रन्थागारे बहवः अनुपमा ग्रन्थाः आसन्. At that library there is so many kind of very unique books are there. तेषु भोजेन विरचितं सरस्वतीकण्ठाभरणनाम्ना प्रसिद्धं भोजव्याकरणमपि एकतम् आसीत्. Among that, there is the very unique book about the grammatical form, the subject of grammar. It's called Saraswati Kanthabharana, and it is created by Raja Bhoj, and it is very famous book. It is very valuable book, very famous book. एकदा सिद्धराज विचारपथ आरूढ and सः अचिन्तयत्. Once upon a time Siddharaj think like that. मालवविजयेन अहं धनस्य स्वामित्वं प्राप्तवान्. तस्य ग्रन्थागारः अपि मया प्राप्तः, परन्तु भोजव्याकरणेन भोजस्य यादृशी कीर्ति वर्तते तादृशी कीर्ति मया न प्राप्ता. Siddharaj Jaisi think like that. I took all things from Malwa, like wealth, like gold, like jewels, and as well as library, all kind of the books, but I cannot achieve same as a Bhoj Raja's kirti, means fame about the Bhoj. So परंतु भोज व्याकरणेन भोजस्य यादृशी कीर्ति वर्तते तादृशी कीर्ति मया न प्राप्ता. As a fame about the Bhoj, I have not this type of the fame. So I think about I want to something to do about that. अतः एतादृशं किमपि करणीयं येन मदीया कीर्तिरपि तादृशी भवेत् यादृशी भोजस्य अस्ति. As a fame about the Bhoj, I also want to the fame about the same like a Bhoj. And then after एवं विचार्य स जैन मुनि आचार्यं हेमचंद्रं प्राप्तवान् निवेदितवान् च. And then after he going to the Hemchandracharya and saying like that, अयि आचार्यवर्या भवन्तो भोजव्याकरणम् ईदृशम् एकं व्याकरणं विचरन्तु येन भवतां मम च अमरा कीर्ति भवेत् इति. He told to Hemchandracharya, request to Hemchandracharya, you must be create the one very unique book on the grammar, and he was parallel and other than superior about the Bhoj Vyakaran, and then after I get the fame. सिद्धराजस्य जयसिंहस्य निवेदनेन प्रेरिता हेमचंद्राचार्य एकम् अपूर्वं व्याकरणं रचितवान्. And after hearing that, Siddharaj Jayasi's nivedan, request to hearing, then after the Hemachandracharya create ekam apurvam, very different. Ekam apurvam, there is no any kind of the book very similar about that. So ekam apurvam vyakarana grantham rachita. Vyakaran means grammatical book. Hemchandracharya create a very unique grammatical book. सः सिद्धहेम व्याकरण इति नाम्ना प्रसिद्ध आसीत्. And the book's name is Siddhahem Vyakarana. Siddharaj Jayasi's name also included there, Hemchandracharya's name also included there, and Vyakarana is the grammar. So it's very unique name, Siddhahem Vyakarana. This is the very famous book in our India, particularly in Sanskrit grammar. Asmin ashto adhyaya santi. There is the 8 type of chapters are here. तेषु प्रारंभिकेषु षट्सु अध्यायेषु संस्कृत भाषाया अंतिमयो दयो अध्यायो प्राकृत भाषायां व्याकरणम् आप्स्यति. There is the in this all kind of chapters there is the first 6 chapter for the Sanskrit grammar and last 2 chapter from the Prakrit Bhasha grammar. Okay guys, Prakrit Bhasha. Prakrit Bhasha means there is the religion language at that time, about the very similar for the Sanskrit language. Sanskrit is very authentic, but Prakrit is also very much similar about Sanskrit, but it is the regional language. So there is 8 type of the section in the Hemchandracharya Suriji Maharaj create in book Siddhahem Vyakarana. Okay guys, so now when we turn the page there is a few sentences are there. Okay guys, in next video lecture we are talking about this few sentence and also question answer. So now I hope so you can read the introduction paragraph 2 or 3 times, and then after you read the lesson 2 or 3 times, and then after you create you must be write down the translation in your book. It is very easy, very interesting subject, a very interesting lesson. It is prose type of lesson. So now I hope so you can learn very nicely, and you must be remember कीर्तिः यस्य सह जीवति. So, okay guys, this is our message about today's Sanskrit lesson, Kalikala Sarvagna Hemachandracharya. In next video lecture, we will talk about more details and question answer for this lesson number 12. Okay guys, I hope so you can enjoy your Navratris and you can prepare yourself very nicely each and every subject. Okay guys, take care yourself at your home. Stay home safe.